In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome profile picture easy. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see your profile icon there. This is the small image or avatar connected to your Chrome and Google account. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. When the menu appears, select Manage your Google account. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, click on Personal Info. This section contains the basic details tied to your Google account, including your name, birthday, and profile image. Once you are in the Personal Info section, find the Basic Info area. Under that section, you will see your current profile picture. Click directly on your current profile picture to open the picture settings. After that, click Add Profile Picture. From there, Google will guide you through the options for choosing or uploading the image you want to use. If you are uploading a new photo, try to use a clear image that is centered and easy to recognize. Take your time while choosing the image. A simple, high-quality picture usually works best. Once you finish that process, your Google Chrome profile picture should update automatically. In some cases, it may take a few moments to refresh. That is the full process for changing your Google Chrome profile picture. It is quick, simple, and only takes a minute once you know where to look. That covers everything you need to know.